How to send high quality pictures in Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now head towards any of the conversation where you want to send the picture. Just open it. Now over here you'll find this picture icon. Clicking on this icon, you can easily get access to the photos and you can send it. If you directly send your photos with Messenger, you'll struggle with Messenger's compression during your photos. So what you can do is you can use this app Drive, Google Drive. Just open it. You can use your Gmail address to log in. Then you will land to this kind of page. Click on this plus icon, click on upload file, click on photos and videos, and you can upload the picture. Once you upload the picture, now what you have to do is go ahead and click on three dots given at the right corner of the picture. Click on the option of copy link. Once you copy the link, you can close this, launch your messenger, head towards the conversation, and then paste the link and send it. After the person opens this file, they will be able to view the photo in all its high quality glory. This is how you can easily send high quality pictures in Facebook Messenger. By applying the same process, you can easily send other pictures and videos in Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.